right, I'm back. It's Jen Eden, the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and the anti-inflammatory, most affordable freedom membership. I always say there are links below my video, somewhere to A, subscribe, and B, check out my work. Because the truth is, after 20 years as a certified holistic health coach, I have registered, trademarked my Sugar Freedom Method and much of my work. And I would be honored if my team and I could support you in feeling your best self. Now, with that said, there is a button somewhere below this video. If you would like to subscribe, that would be amazing. We could stay in touch, and then I can impart all my wisdom on you, and you could stop being duped, with all due respect, by all the nonsense that's out there that drives me batty. Okay, so this thing on joint pain. Let's go there now. Jen, can I really get rid of my joint pain? My doctor says rheumatoid arthritis I need to take a med for that. Oh, I hear this all the time. Or I just wake up and I have crickety pains, or I've got this knee that had a lot of surgery. Or Jen, I've hit my late 40s, put on some weight. I don't have arthritis, not diagnosed, but man, do I feel like my joints hurt and what the heck is going on? And so I'm gonna tell you now, creams and all these things that people take, cortisol shots, creams, I know people who take daily Advil, Tylenol. I do not judge it. Do what you need to. But please know that it is 100% fixable. And I know because a dear friend of mine from high school who joined me, who was a doctor, who said, Jen, I got rheumatoid arthritis. I wasn't taught this in med school. Can you help me? And this beautiful woman reduced her rheumatoid arthritis down to not even needing her meds, almost at 0. And a year later, text me back, Jen, oh my gosh, the changes I made following you and your team's Sugar Freedom Method, okay, I don't need to be on it. What happened? And so in case you're tired of me talking about inflammation, I'm going to talk about it anyway. So inflammation, okay, is what bothers our joints. Okay, a lot of times there's fluid that fills the joints. The same way when we bloat, we go, oh, I'm bloating today. That is a sign that the body does not like something, okay? So what it does is it brings water to the site of infection. Does that make sense? To cushion the blow. You know how when, oh my gosh, as kids we fall, right? Well, you sprain an ankle, God forbid, but you sprain an ankle, you break something and it swells, right? What happens? You go, oh, I hurt my elbow, and it starts to swell. Right? Or you bang your knee and your knee swells. They always say, put some ice on it to bring the inflammation down. Well, that's no problem because that was a one-time injury and the body brought fluids, right, to start to heal the area. Well, the issue is that when we are hurting ourselves from the inside out and it's not a one-time incident, the same thing is occurring. We just don't think of it that way, okay? We're not taught that that's inflammation, that the body is swelling. And if that makes sense to you, then great, because the whole point of me talking to you today is to bring down the swelling from the inside out. And for me, the number 2 ways you do that is through getting chemicals and foods you're sensitive to out of your diet. And the second thing we do when you come work with us, but I am happy to share it with you today. Number 1, we upgrade food, get chemicals out, and get inflammatories out. And the other thing we do is we work on your gut health. Okay, you can bring down inflammation and increase your body's ability to fight infection by fixing your gut microbiome. Now that is for another day. You can Google videos in my channel. I talk about fixing your gut microbiome. But for the purposes of today, just know your gut health and getting toxins out and inflammatory foods out will absolutely reduce your joint pain. I know because I've watched miracles happen working with me and my team, and so I know it helps. Okay, if you've got questions, please ask away. I'd be happy to help you. And I truly hope today that I was able to shine some light on you around what is really going on when you have joint pain. Okay, we're almost done for the day. Thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you have an opportunity now. I know there's always a link below this video so we can stay in touch. All right, I will talk to you again soon.